In this video, I'm going to show you how to name a section in Revit. Now to do this, first you want to create a section. So I'm just going to go to the View tab up top. I'm going to click on Section, and then I'm going to create a simple section over here, just like this. Now to actually give it a name, because by default it says Section 2 or whatever section number you have it as, you can of course go and first click on it. So click on the specific section head and click on Edit Type. Here you want to go and basically find out which section tag this is using. Okay, so make sure your section is selected, edit type, and then over here section tag. For me it is this section head filled. Okay, so make sure you actually do remember this because we're going to need it. So section head filled. Then go to your browser down here, so project browser, and then what you want to do is just look for that. Okay, so look for section head filled. So this is going to be under annotations, so I'm just going to type in a section head filled. There we go. As you can see, families, annotation symbols, and here it is. We have the section head filled. This is the one we're looking for. So I'm going to click on it like this, and then of course when you click on it, you can do right click and then edit. Now when you do this, you can of course save your project. I'm going to actually save this. You can do it if you want to or not if you don't, and it's going to open it up like that. Now over here, as you can see, I've already managed this one, but by default, what you want to do here is the following. You want to click on whatever text is in here. So by default, if I actually change this, it's going to look something like this. There's just going to be this detail number in here, and it's going to look like that. Okay, if I apply this, it's going to be something like this. So you want to click on this number, and then you want to go to edit label up top, and then from here you want to go to detail number and click on this red arrow to remove this parameter, and you want to click on view name instead and move it over with this button. Then the sample value here is going to be what you actually are putting in here. So I'm going to just type in, for example, test like this. I'm going to click on the apply button and then OK over here, and there we go. We've of course named our section. Now what you have to do from this point on is basically just go and load this into your project. So if I go load into project over here, it's going to load it in there, and I'm going to actually do this like that. And if I now zoom in here, you'll see that for me, for some reason it hasn't updated. Sometimes it does, but sometimes it doesn't. So if it doesn't, simply zoom in and then just double click on the section, and you can type in whatever name you want, press enter, and there we go. As you can see, you've given a name to your section just like that. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.